Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syafiqah and I want to present about practical task 1. So first I want to verify my network address, IP config, and yes, this is my network address 192.168.1.9. Okay, I want to ping my default gateway. So the command is ping 192.168.1.1, and yes, I got the reply. Okay, next, for the next part, I want to verify my remote server. So first, ping www.google.com. And yes, I got the reply. Okay, for the second remote server is ping www.cisco.com. And yes, I got the reply. And for the third remote server, I choose ping www.us.com. And yes, I got the reply. So I want to verify my RIR website. So first, ping www.afrinic.com, afrini.net. Yes, I got the reply. And for the second RIR website, ping www.upnic.net. And yes, I got the reply. So for the third RIR website, ping www.rip.net. And I got the reply too. And for the last RIR website, ping www.lecnic.net. And I got the reply too. Okay, for the next part, I want to reset my remote server. So the command is reset www.google.com. And yes, this is my tracing route to www.google.com. And second, I want to trace it www.cisco.com. So this is my tracing route to www.cisco.com. Trace complete. And I want to trace my third remote server, trace it www.us.com. And yes, this is my tracing route to www.us.com. So I want to trace RIR website. So command is trace www.afrini.net. And yes, this is my tracing route to www.afrini.net. Trace complete, and I want to trace my second RIR website. Trace www.apni.net. And yes, this is my tracing route to www.apni.net. Trace complete, and for the third RIR website, trace www.read.net. And yes, this is my tracing route to www.read.net. Trace complete, and for the last trace for IRR website, in command prompt, trace www.lightning.net. And yes, this is my tracing route to www.lightning.net. And yes, this is my trace. So we want to try next part is trace route with website. Okay, so I want to just enter my domain name www.google.com and button paste now, open button paste now. So we're waiting for the result. And yes, this is my result for www.google.com. So enter domain name www.cisco.com and test now. Waiting for the result. And yes, this is the result for www.cisco.com. enter the next domain name www.us.com. This now, and waiting for the result. And yes, this is the result for www.us.com. So, want to try RIR website and enter my domain name with www.afrinic.net and test now. So waiting for the result. And yes, this is the result for www.afrinic.net. And for the second RIR website, I just wrote it with www.afrinic.net and test now, and waiting for the result. Yes, this is the result for www.afrinic.net. So back to traceroute test, and want to enter domain name www.rip.net and test now. So waiting for the result. And yes, this is the result for www.rip.net. And back to traceroute, enter domain name www.lightning.net and test now. So we wait for the result. And yes, this is the result for www.lightning.net. And this is my practical task 1.